Hey everyone, today's inspirational and encouraging word is don't wait for a light to appear at the end of the tunnel. Stride down there and light the bloody thing yourself. Don't wait for a light to appear at the end of the tunnel. Go there and light it yourself. Sarah Henderson said those words. Don't wait. Go do it. Those encouraging words are for me and for you. I hope it reach you and help you and guide you along your way. In today's eye makeup, we're going to start with base. Today I'm doing base first. My e.l.f. Putty Primer. I need a mirror. I don't even have a mirror in front of me. I have. After I put the primer, I am just making sure it's all over my face. So I'm taking a brush and I'm just brushing it in. I haven't done my base like this for a long time because I have oily skin. That's how, this way I'm doing my base, that's how I used to do my base a long time ago when I first started YouTube 4 years ago. I haven't done it like that in a long time. Now that I have the primer on, I'm going to put a powder over it and I'm just using a sponge to do that. Fenty Pro Filter Press Foundation Powder 420 is my base. I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer on my eyes as a base. I already spread it on there, so all I'm doing is just blending it in, and it is closer to my skin shade, so it will just disappear and melt in my skin. Both eyes are based. I'm using this palette called Xanadu, and it's Saints, Angels and Sinners palette. This is what the inside look like. For all my nude queens and kings, I'm going to create a nude look today for you. I'm using this lighter shade right here in my brow bone. My second color is this one right here. I'm going to put it all over the eyes. So latte, nude, neutral eyeshadow look. This head scarf is from one of my sons. This pattern is for the native Indians in Canada. That is where that came from the native people in Canada. The Indians, you want to call them, native people of Canada. So I'm going to use that to tie my hair, and then I will show you my natural neutral coffee mocha espresso look. Today's neutral coffee mocha look for all the queens and kings in my YouTube tribe that loves a plain look. This is for you. Thank you all again for watching. Please remember to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.